There are over 300 million French-speaking people in the world. Do you want to join that number and connect? But don't know how to get started? We have put over a dozen French language programs to the test to help you find the best one for your learning needs. Whether you've taken high school French or starting completely from scratch, these are the best apps to get you speaking French in 2026. Every app I'll be talking about today has a different centralized focus to their course and teaching methods. Let's talk about what types of learners these apps are geared toward. For beginners with little to no background knowledge of any Romance languages, we found Rosetta Stone and Babbel to be the best options. They are both approachable and do a good job of easing you into the language without being overwhelming. There are two main takeaways from Rosetta Stone: their dynamic immersion teaching method and the extra resources they provide. Rosetta Stone tries to replicate how you naturally acquired your first language by limiting English instruction. Most of the exercises you'll have in a Rosetta Stone lesson are matching words or phrases to images, so you can build associations between words and objects. The typical Rosetta Stone French lesson shouldn't take you any more than about 30 minutes to complete. Aside from your everyday lessons, Rosetta Stone provides supplemental resources like phrase books and live classes to aid your understanding through other teaching outlets. If you're looking for short lessons you can knock out in 10 to 15 minutes, Babbel is a fantastic choice for you beginners. Their lessons are structured into small segments that build upon introductory skills to help you meet an intermediate level of fluency. Babbel does give you instructions in English and readily available translations, so you aren't left to figure it out on your own as you would be with Rosetta Stone. A big plus for those of you that prefer more direct instruction is that Babbel layers in grammar and speaking practice into almost every exercise. So those are the two apps we recommend for beginners. And as far as cost is concerned, they're both pretty affordable. But Babbel is going to be the more cost-effective option. At around just $8 a month after discounts, they do also offer a lifetime access plan for a one-time purchase of around $300 MSRP. For Rosetta Stone's monthly subscription, you're looking at about $20 a month or $400 MSRP for their lifetime plan. With either program's lifetime access plans, you will get access to all the languages that they have to offer, not just French. There's a bit of a price gap here, but both of these apps seem to always have discounts floating around, so be sure to check out the description below. I'll keep the description updated with the latest promo codes and discounts I can find. Rocket Language's French program is at the top of our list for anyone trying to learn French, especially if you're serious about becoming fluent. Rocket's lessons are centered around audio to build your ear for the language and practice responding back with mock conversations. The program also has an excellent voice coach tool to give you feedback on your pronunciation. I think the ability to play back the recording of yourself speaking gives you a leg up because you can compare your pronunciation to a native speaker. What makes their mock conversations and audio exercises so useful is that they feature the native speakers. So you aren't just hearing random words and phrases, but actually building an understanding of how the natives would speak. A host breaks down these conversations for you so you fully understand any grammar concepts being used or new material being introduced to you. You will also see a transcript of the exercise displayed of what's being said in your audio lesson. Rocket Languages prices out their programs by levels instead of monthly subscriptions. You can get each level for about $150 or all 3 levels for $450 MSRP. To lower these costs, you'll need to use a promo code. Again, I'll have the description below loaded with the latest promo codes I can find. I often see levels 1 and 2 marked down to just $99 for both. Another program we recommend for those of you serious about becoming fluent in French is Pimsleur French. Similar to Rocket, Pimsleur lessons are centered around audio. You will be walked through a conversation in French by an English-speaking host and be prompted to speak. Pimsleur is a good option if you're looking for an immersive learning experience. They limit English instruction and give you the basics for understanding the material, but they want you to work on building your understanding without depending on translation. A standout feature for Pimsleur is their CarPlay integration. Pimsleur lessons are lengthier than most, and the audio portion will take you about 30 minutes to complete. If you find yourself pressed for time or have a lengthy commute, being able to complete the audio portion on the go is a game changer. There's also other exercises that you'll work through after the audio portion to reinforce what you've been introduced to. For a Pimsleur French subscription, you'll find yourself paying $20 a month after discounts, or for just $1 more a month, you can get access to all the languages Pimsleur has to offer at $21 a month. To get these prices, check out the description for discounts. The last app I want to talk to you all about today is more of an honorable mention, or tool than a standalone language program. LingoPie is a video on-demand platform that filters shows by fluency level. While watching content, dual subtitles will be displayed below, one set in English and the other in French. You can click on any of the words in the subtitles and its definition and part of speech will be displayed for you. One thing I find really neat about the subtitles is the sentence structure is presented in different colors, so you can visually see how the sentences work. LingoPie creates a set of flashcards for you to review based on what you've watched and which words you've clicked on. It's a productive way of entertaining yourself, and it doesn't hurt that LingoPie subscriptions are super affordable. A LingoPie subscription will cost you about $7 a month after discounts. If you'd like to try the program out before investing in it, they do have a 7-day trial available. I will have a link to any promos for LingoPie as well as that free trial down below in the description. Now, that was a lot to cover, so let's regroup. What are the best French apps out in 2026? If you're just starting out with little to no knowledge of French, we recommend Rosetta Stone or Babbel. If you're looking for a more immersive learning experience that relies less on translations, we would point you in the direction of Rosetta Stone. The supplemental material they provide also helps add variety to your daily lessons. For short drill-type lessons with English instruction to aid your learning, we suggest Babbel. Its simple 15-minute lesson format packs in all you need to make progress in French. Our top choice for whether you're just trying to get the basics down or reach a high level of fluency is Rocket Languages. Their focus on audio prioritizes building your understanding of French as it's spoken. The speech practice you get is thorough and even gives you direct grammar and cultural lessons without bogging you down. Pimsleur is our second choice for those looking to reach a high level of fluency in French. The audio exercises prove more immersive, and the ability to complete lessons on the go is a huge plus for those of you that find it hard to make time in your day for a French lesson. Of course, any of these apps would benefit from the supplemental support of LingoPie. It's a fun way to learn that will keep you engaged. It's great for building your vocabulary and familiarizing yourself with how French is spoken in real situations. For a full breakdown of all the features, pricing, and our own hands-on experience with all of these apps, check out our full written review. Just Google Guide to Fluency, Best Apps to Learn French. By the way, we'll be giving away a language learning app to one of our lucky subscribers. Just check out the details down below to learn more. It's super simple to enter. Just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for now. Best of luck, everyone.